keep saying that because there's a lot of agencies out there that are the average Joe blogs. You in 2024 have got to be the higher level agency, the high need agency that they are stumbling with and need help with in order to become successful. Okay, so have you gone out into your community to find out what the need is by speaking with social services, for example, or by speaking with recovery teams if it's mental health, for example, speaking with secure units, speaking with private hospitals? What aspects of looking for contracts have you done in terms of that? Yes, there's care homes, but what about the specialist care homes that you could look at providing a service to? Dementia care. You could have specialist staff members. I'm just going to drink my water. Specialist staff members will get you contracts.